The Joyful Tale of Christmas, Origins and Celebrations. In the quaint village of Evergreen, nestled between snow-covered hills and adorned with festive decorations, the air was filled with the sweet scent of pine and the sound of carolers singing merrily. As families gathered around crackling fires and twinkling lights, the magic of Christmas was palpable. Long ago, in the heart of winter, when the days were short and the nights were cold, people sought solace in celebrating the winter solstice. In this season of darkness, the promise of longer days brought hope. This ancient festival marked the rebirth of the sun and the triumph of light over darkness. The traditions of the winter solstice celebrations gradually evolved into what we now know as Christmas. In the 4th century, Pope Julius I chose December 25th as the date to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. The symbolism of this date coincided with existing festivals, seamlessly weaving Christian traditions into the fabric of winter celebrations. The heart of Christmas lies in the joy of giving and sharing. Evergreen's town square buzzed with activity as villagers prepared for the grand Christmas market. Stalls lined with handmade crafts, aromatic baked goods, and festive trinkets beckoned visitors from near and far. The market was a testament to the spirit of generosity that defined the season. Families in Evergreen engaged in time-honored traditions. The lighting of the town's Christmas tree was a spectacle that drew everyone together. Children, bundled up in scarves and mittens, giggled as they watched the twinkling lights illuminate the night sky. The tree, adorned with ornaments crafted by generations, stood tall as a symbol of unity and continuity. Christmas Eve in Evergreen was a time for reflection and gratitude. Families gathered for a feast, breaking bread together in a spirit of camaraderie. The aroma of roasted chestnuts and spiced cider filled the air. The festive table, adorned with candles and holly, became a canvas for cherished memories and shared laughter. As midnight approached, the villagers congregated at the local church for the midnight mass. The melodic voices of the choir echoed through the nave, creating an ethereal atmosphere. The flickering candlelight symbolized the hope that illuminated the darkest corners of the world. Christmas Day in Evergreen dawned with joy and excitement. Children rushed downstairs to discover presents left by Santa Claus, and families exchanged thoughtful gifts, embodying the spirit of love and goodwill. The aroma of a hearty Christmas breakfast wafted through the houses, as the village reveled in the warmth of shared moments. In the heart of Evergreen, the true magic of Christmas wasn't found in grand gestures or extravagant gifts, but in the simple acts of kindness, love, and togetherness. The traditions that had evolved over centuries created a tapestry of joy, connecting the villagers to the rich history of Christmas celebrations. As the sun set on Christmas Day, and the village was blanketed in a serene quietude, the people of Evergreen gathered once more. Around a roaring bonfire, they shared stories, sang carols, and expressed gratitude for the bonds that made their community strong. And so, in the timeless village of Evergreen, the magic of Christmas lived on, a celebration of light, love, and the enduring spirit of generosity that made the season truly special. The end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Teddy's Best Story Time. See you next time.